Hi guys! So recently I have been thinking about my health a little bit more, and it's been my goal to get on a more healthy routine and to lose weight. I don't know why I forgot to say to lose weight, but that is also one of my main goals. We work out here and there, but honestly we always go and then we tend to take longer breaks, and my nutrition is not really always at its strongest. I never really ever followed diets or anything like that, and I didn't want anything that was too restrictive. I didn't want to have to throw away what's already in my fridge and just completely start from scratch. I figured that keto might be the best one to start with, so today is my first day of trying keto. I actually found a 7-day meal prep from Whole Foods, which is pretty simple ingredients. I figured I would start with breakfast and show you guys what the first day in this recipe looks like. So I'm gonna start it off with day 1, and for breakfast they showed us a recipe of egg white omelet bites. It seems pretty easy to do, so that's how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna use egg whites, spinach, red bell pepper, mushrooms, and then I have my muffin tin here. Preheat the oven to 375, lightly oil a 12-cup muffin pan, and then cook the mushrooms, bell pepper, and the spinach. This is how much muffin cups I have to fill, and this is how much veggies I have. Ideally, you should have more vegetables than how much I did, but I underestimated the measurements. This is what it all looks like so far. I've never used this before. 4 eggs equals half a cup. Half a cup. Pop it in the oven for 16 minutes. Okay, let's see it. Oh my god, it looks so good. So cute. Look at it. Look at it. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt because I forgot to do that earlier. Alright, this is what it looks like out the oven. I'm so proud. It looks so good. Oh, look, it's hollow underneath. Oh, wow. That's good. And now that I made 12, I have breakfast for a couple days. Avocado, parsley, and lemon juice. Parsley. I'll be honest, this looks very not good. 2 out of 5. Brian made me steak for dinner, so this is ribeye with some asparagus, and I'm pretty sure he added butter as well. Okay, time to eat dinner. So I'm having a ribeye. Brian cooked this in olive oil, and it's seasoned with salt, pepper.
Just mixed spices.
Mixed spices, and then asparagus with butter, which they say is allowed. I love asparagus. I had my steak medium well. Yay. Yeah, no, I don't need any more seasoning. It's good.